MySudo versus Hushed. MySudo is a privacy app that lets you create multiple digital identities called pseudos. Each pseudos comes with its own phone number, email, and even a private browser. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros of it is it offers multiple numbers for different purposes. It has a built-in encrypted messaging and calling. It includes email addresses and private browsers per pseudos, and is great for compartmentalizing online and offline activities. The cons is though, it only supports US and Canadian phone numbers, and there are subscription required for phone functionalities. And it's not ideal if you just need a simple second number. Now Hushed, on the other hand, is a virtual phone number app designed for temporary and disposable numbers. It's ideal if you need a private number for short-term use, like selling something online, dating, or even trial services. So, talk about the pros. It offers temporary phone numbers which are affordable. It also works in over 40 plus countries. They offer prepaid and pay-as-you-go plans available, and they have a simple interface which is easy to use for quick privacy needs. The cons is though, it lacks the advanced features like encrypted email or browsing, and it's not built for long-term compartmentalized identities. So overall, if you want a long-term, multi-purpose privacy with multiple identities, then choose MySudo. And if you need a temporary or disposable number for quick use, choose Hushed.